Chapter 1. Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. The kinship group in village and territory. The lineages have not split up into villages and village groups according to a fixed rule, and there are always members of other marga living in the villages as co-inhabitants. Nevertheless, as a general rule, it is fairly safe to say that the villages lying round a model village inhabited or deserted and which sprang from it are of one opu, and that when the village chiefs go to a gathering of the chiefs of the territory, they go according to lineage, Masusu or Magopuopu. In Hubang, one finds some of the chiefs called Raja Susu. They are the elders of the lineages. So the term Hokja can also be used to indicate a territory of unmixed composition. There are also, however, a number of terms that have a geographical meaning. For example, ladang, complex of fields for agriculture and luat land area. Others relate to the administration of justice and government, like saharungguan, those who meet at one gathering place, or indicate an assembly of mixed composition, sapartahian, those who deliberate. Yet others are connected with the general offering ceremonies they use. Sadly, however, such a territorial community acquired the name, which is the actual name of the tribal group, marga, a smaller kinship group that prevails there. Thus, the territory on the shore of Lake Toba were the youngest of the Tamba to a marga, which retained the name Tamba. State after the older companion marga went away is called Tamba. The territory lying between Bali and Lagowoti, where the Silahisabungan Marga Tambunan is established, is called Tambunan, and there are many more such. Villages can be counted by the hundred which bear the names of the Marga to which they belong, such as Lumban, Manurong, Sosong, Nadabdab, Huta, Sipok, Dabuan. They are mainly to be found in the territories that are non-homogeneous in composition or where the indwelling Marga have been allowed to establish their own villages. Firstly, a number of Marga and Marga branches bear the name of the village Huta Luban that was founded by one of the forefathers or was inhabited by them, and from which the later villages have arisen. CBP 7 until 16.